I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your legacy Vine profile to the new diVine app. If you're ready to reclaim your old handle and clips, hit that like button, and let's get started. Your 6-second masterpieces aren't gone forever. As of April 2026, diVine has successfully restored over 500,000 original Vines from the archives. These aren't just random uploads, they are attached to reconstructed, ghost profiles waiting for their original owners to come home. To link to it, first, open the diVine app and use the search bar to look up your original Vine username. While not every single video survived the move, the archive captures a solid share of the most viral content. If you see your old videos under a profile you don't yet control, don't worry, that is your ghost profile. It's sitting in a read-only state until you complete the reclaim protocol. To link your account, go to Settings and select Reclaim Legacy Account. Because diVine is strictly anti-AI and anti-impersonation, this is a manual verification process. You will need to demonstrate ownership of the social media profiles, like X, Twitter, or Instagram, that were originally linked in your old Vine bio. The new diVine team manually checks these links to ensure the real creator is the one gaining access. Once approved, your old content will be cryptographically signed to your new Nostr key, giving you 100% ownership once again. Once linked, you have full control. You can choose to keep your classics public, set them to private, or even delete them entirely if they no longer fit your brand. If your videos are missing from the archive, you can manually upload your old local files. Just remember, every new upload must pass the C2PA human verification check to prove it's not an AI-generated deepfake. Reclaiming your Vine account on diVine is the ultimate way to prove your human status in this new era of social media. Did you find your old clips? Let me know in the comments, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.